The Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Promise Plan provide lifelong financial security for your loved ones. This video explores the plan's features, benefits, drawbacks, and returns analysis, offering a detailed comparison to help you make an informed decision. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Promise is a non-participating pure risk individual life insurance product. First, let us look at the features of the plan. Flexibility to choose from 4 unique death options. The whole of life coverage is available. Acceleration of 50% of base sum assured and waiver of premium on diagnosis of terminal illness. Flexibility to cover spouse under joint life option. Option to receive death benefit as lump sum and or installments. 15% lower premium for female lives. The choice to transfer legacy sum assured to your child with the family plan option. Next, we shall look at the benefits of Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Promise. First, death benefit for option 1 and 2, life promise option and life promise plus option. Under these options, the policyholder chooses the base sum assured at the time of purchase. In case the life assured dies during the policy term, the stipulated death benefit less any payout under the payer accelerator benefit will be paid out to the nominee. For option 3 and 4, joint life promise option, joint life promise plus option. Under these options, the life assured, that is the first life, and the spouse of the life assured, that is the second life, would be covered under the same policy. The policyholder chooses the base sum assured at the time of purchase. In case of accidental death, an additional amount equal to the base sum assured will be paid out to the nominee as lump sum. Next, payer accelerator benefit for all 4 options, an amount equal to 50% of basic sum assured is paid out as lump sum on acceptance of terminal illness. All future premiums shall be waived off, and the policy will continue to remain in force for the remaining applicable benefits. Next, maturity benefit for option 1 and 3, that is life promise option and joint life promise option. In case of life assured survives till maturity, no additional benefit is payable. For life promise plus option and joint life promise plus option, that is for option 2 and 4, an amount equal to 100% of total premiums paid towards the base benefit option shall be payable at the end of the policy term, provided the life assured survives till the maturity in case of life promise plus option, or both the life assured survives till maturity in case of joint life promise plus. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Promise. First, advantages. With the life stage option, policyholder can increase their coverage upon experiencing significant life events. The top-up sum assured option allows policyholder to boost their life coverage by a set percentage each policy anniversary with an additional premium. Upon maturity, policyholders have the option to extend their policy term. The FlexiPay benefit offers the flexibility to defer the premium payment term for up to 12 months. Enhance your coverage with comprehensive riders that offer unique health and wellness benefits. At the policy inception, the life insured has the option to transfer the legacy sum assured to their child. Next, disadvantages. The life promise and joint life promise option do not offer any maturity benefit. Loans are not available with this plan. There is no surrender value for life promise and joint life promise options under the regular premium mode, as the risk premium is 0. The whole life option provides life coverage beyond your working years, which may be unnecessary. Next, we are moving on to calculation part. Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Promise offers life coverage for a specific term or your entire life. Under the life promise plus and joint life promise plus options, if the policyholder survives the term, the premiums paid are returned. However, in other plan options, no amount is payable upon survival. The premiums are simply refunded at maturity without any additional value, leading to a 0 return on investment. To illustrate, consider an example from the policy brochure. A 40-year-old male selects Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Promise Plan with a sum assured of rupees 1 crore. He chooses a 20-year policy term with a 20-year premium payment term and opts for life promise plus option. The annual premium is rupees 45,964. At the end of the policy term, he receives a maturity benefit of 9.19 lakhs. However, the internal rate of return on this cash flow is 0. Insurance agents often promote the return of premium options, touting them as beneficial. In reality, these options offer little advantage to the policyholder and typically come with higher premiums compared to the plans without this feature. We will delve deeper into this in the next section. In personal finance, experts often advise starting your investment journey with a solid foundation of life and health insurance backed by an emergency fund. In this regard, Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Promise Promise provides life coverage, but its premium are on the higher side. Let's compare the premium of pure term policies using the same metrics as mentioned in the previous example. For a pure term policy with a sum assured of rupees 1 crore, the annual premium is rupees 21,000 with both the policy term and the premium paying term set at 20 years. By opting for a pure term policy, you save rupees 24,964 annually, which can then be invested elsewhere. High risk investors might gravitate towards equity investments, while those with lower risk tolerance might prefer debt instrument. We have evaluated both options, investing in a PPF account for debt and an ELSS fund for equity. In the PPF account, the final value would be 11.08 lakhs with an IRR of 1.75%. Although this return seems modest, it underscores the fact that the return of premium policies charges higher premium only to repay them at the end of the term without generating real growth. The final pre-tax value in ELSS fund would be 20.14 lakhs with a post-tax value of 18.40 lakhs. The combined IRR for the ELSS investment and pure term policy is 6.23%, which is a post-tax return. This comparison demonstrates the effective use of savings from opting for a pure term life insurance policy. To achieve your goals, it is advisable to invest the saved premiums separately based on your risk tolerance, allowing you to build the necessary corpus over time. Here is our final verdict on Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Promise. Life insurance plays a vital role in safeguarding your family's future. Choosing the right product for your insurance need is critical. The Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Promise plan offers life insurance coverage for a fixed term or your entire life with the added feature of returning the premiums if you survive the policy term. However, a whole life cover that extends beyond your working years may be unnecessary and only adds to your premium burden. Similarly, while the return of premium option may seem attractive, it comes with higher premiums. These aspects increase your cost without offering significant value. All these aspects make Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Promise less suitable for your insurance portfolio. A more effective approach is to opt for a pure term life insurance policy and make separate investments to achieve your life goals. It is important to carefully select your products and conduct a thorough analysis before making any decisions. If you need professional guidance, consulting a certified financial planner is advisable. They have extensive knowledge of available products and can recommend options tailored to your risk tolerance, life goals, and time horizon. A detailed review of Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Promise Plan is available as a blog post on our website, and the link is given in the description.
And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.